be calm in a stressful situation, pause and take a step back from what you're doing before you respond. Take some long, deep breaths, inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and exhaling for 4 seconds. Continue for a few minutes until you feel calmer and more relaxed. You can also try focusing on your senses. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. Focusing on your senses interrupts stressful and anxious thoughts and helps you feel more present and relaxed. Going for a walk or working out can also help. Exercise releases endorphins, a natural chemical that makes you feel calmer and happier. Try challenging any negative thoughts that are coming up and making you stressed. For example, if you're assuming the worst-case scenario is going to happen if you fail, ask yourself how likely that actually is. It's easy to be irrational when you're stressed, but having a more realistic perspective can help you calm down.